You may be knowing cleavage, an embryological process after fertilization. So the ovum and spermatozoa fertilize to form a zygote. I call it as fertilized egg, which will be dividing into a multicellular structure. If you assume fertilized egg as a single-celled structure or a zygote, which will be dividing into 2, 4, 8, 16 that way to become into a cellular structure called multicellular structure called the morula. Now at the inner part of morula there is formed a cavity by the arrangement of other cells around, and the surrounding cells will be secreting some fluid which would be filling the cavity called a blastocele. And the morula, after being filled with the fluid inside, will be named blastula, and the cells arranged outside this blastocele surrounding this blastocele called blastomeres, singular blastomere, plural blastomeres. So cleavage and blastulation will be the consequential process to form blastula. So fertilized egg will become into blastula through the cleavage and blastulation process. Now the division according to the direction divided into 4 types: meridional plane, vertical plane, equatorial plane, latitudinal plane. Now you see the diagram, a fertilized egg with an animal pole and a vegetal pole. There will be a cut from animal pole towards vegetal pole at the center line. If the cut occurs this way, this is called a meridional plane of cleavage. Now an example is given here. First cleavage in chick occurs this way, and then vertical plane of cleavage. Here on either side of this meridional plane, meridional line, there may be the formation of the cut, and if such division occurs, it may be called a vertical plane of cleavage. That is on either side of the median, the vertical center line. Now this appears in the case of third cleavage in a chick, and then in the case of cleavage in higher animals, there is formed a horizontal cut this way, the halfway between animal pole and vegetal pole. So if there the cut occurs dividing the cell into 2 in a horizontal position, this is called equatorial plane. And some more cut on either side of the equatorial plane called latitudinal plane or transverse plane. An example is third cleavage in form. In different animals at different cleavage lines, there may the possibility for the occurrence of all these 4 types of cuts: meridional plane, vertical plane, equatorial plane, latitudinal plane. In some it would occur at the first cleavage, and in some it would be at the second cleavage, third cleavage, that way. Now here you see the structure of a blastula. Assume that the blastomeres are arranged outside, and at the center there the formation of a cavity filled with the fluid, and it is called a blastocele. Now in the case of frog, these blastomeres found on the animal pole region seems to be smaller than those on the vegetal pole region. Accordingly, the cells at the animal pole called micromeres and bigger cells at the vegetal pole region called macromeres. This may be due to the accumulation of yolk materials, which may prevent the frequent dividing of cells on the vegetal pole compared to that of the rate of division at the animal pole region. So accordingly, this cleavage is the process of making a single-celled fertilized egg into a multicellular and blastocele, multicellular structure with blastocele inside called blastula, which would be followed by gastrule.